Teaching can be tough, but it doesn't have to feel impossible. Let us show you how Speakable makes teaching easier and smarter than ever before. Endless grading? Let's fix that. With Teacher Pro, you can save hours by automating grading for speaking and writing tasks. Instant feedback? Done. Let the AI do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what really matters. Got a team? Spaces makes it easy to collaborate, create, and share with your colleagues. And tracking student progress? Our portfolios give you simple, clear insights to see how your students are growing. Plus, with our upcoming mobile apps, teachers and students will soon be able to stay connected from anywhere, anytime. Teach smarter, not harder with Speakable. Try Teacher Pro and rediscover what's possible.